So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna be installing the side mirrors on this motorcycle, and this will be a modification series kind of videos coming in few, for the few videos, because I am going to make over this thing again. So as you can see, there are a lot of patches where the paint has came out, the bike is looking very dull, the seat has been scratched up. I have just painted the headlight as you can see in this video, and the mirrors are removed. I have installed the bar and mirrors twice, but the issues are they used to fall out because there was no proper hole and everything to fit them inside the handle, because the FZ handles comes with a straight blank rod where there is no extensions here to install the mirror. So I have done some jugaad with you know putting using some nuts to fix it. As you can see, there's a nut which is welded on the both the side of the handles, so I can just mount the mirrors properly. So for a few after some time I will just install the mirrors and see how does it looks. And yep, I had to cut the grips for that because it was getting stuck with the mirrors. So it's looking very unpurposeful, but we will get some alternate for this. And my lever is broken because someone auto guy just shook out it. Okay, and my mirrors also fall down because there was no bolt here before, and there was a blank space. So the older mirror just got fall out. That this will be a permanent solution. I just fix the bolt here, and later we will be installing it. So I will just this is the before look of the motorcycle, as you can see. And after this I will show you how does it look after putting up the mirror. So see. The bar and mirrors which I got from my motorcycle, they are not of any specific brand, or you can say there is a cheap mirrors out there for just cosmetic upgrades, because they are not that functional. I tried the Royal Enfield mirrors, bar and mirrors, which usually you have seen on the Meteors and the GT650s and all, but they are like quite a lot big on this motorcycle. So I just dropped the plan of using that mirror, because they were coming bulging too out of the the motorcycle, and they are not going with the looks of the motorcycle. So these are the round black mirrors which so as I have, these are the direct installation for the bar and mirrors without the nut inside the. So sorry. So these are the bar and mirrors, basically directly fitting to the handles, which doesn't have that thread inside the handle. You can just do what I have did with my handle, you know putting a nut, welding it down in the handle on both the ends. I just got this idea from my mechanic where I work. After watching what I did on his unicorn, so I did the same thing for my FZ. So thanks to him for giving me a good idea. And these are the nuts. I need to just remove this rubber and this nut, and I have to directly place it there. And this will go directly on this plastic bush, this mirror, and this edge outside end. So as I will show you, just remove this plastic from the nut. Alone is just so same mirror I used to, same mirror I have installed before, but they just fall out because they were not properly fitted. And I used to tape it, because even after without the nut, as I installed it directly in the mirror, but this was not going properly inside, and after tightening it, it was not getting properly stuck inside. So it's just rotating inside out, and it's just going round and round and round. So I have to tape it, because this visor was broken while trying to put it on the motorcycle. So now all the problems has been solved. And yep, the welding the nut is way cheaper on this handle. Sorry guys, some customer has arrived. So as you can see, these are the mirrors. The finishing is good. It has got the proper coloring and all. But before I used to tape it and use it on the motorcycle. So this time there will be a proper provision. So just remove this nut. As you can see, I will remove this nut. Uh, Nut remove, and this rubber also remove, and this I need to directly put it inside the handle like this. Same thing goes with the second mirror also. So guys, I will show you after installing the mirrors on the motorcycle, because I am alone and I can just install it and show you while installing it on the mirrors. It's just directly simple. There's a nut on the handle and it should the bolt will directly go inside there, and there's a Allen key spanner to tighten it. That's it, nothing else. No major, no major works, no major alterations and everything, just simple. And yes, there's a second option also. You can, if you don't want to play with your handle like welding out the bolt and all, you can just directly use an FZ 250's handle, and you just have to drill the hole on the accelerator side to match it with the FZ handle. Rest, the handle size, the handle placement, the the posture of the handle is almost same. It's like 95% of the thing it's same. It can be directly installed on your motorcycle. And if you want to use the bar and mirrors and all, and if you want to put handle bits and all, so that's the second option. And this is the simple and cheapest option, because I just got the nut welded on my handle for this, like $100, 100 rupees with the bolts. So sorry, nuts. So with the nuts. So this is the cheapest mode I'm going with, because the handle will cost approx 500 rupees, and the labor of installing the handle is again the second expensive thing. It will cost you around like 600 to 700 rupees all around with the handle replacement. And this has got me 100 rupees with the welding charges and the nut. So 100 rupees that. And for the mirrors, I will directly place on over there. So after I will show you after a few minutes. I will show you how it looks on the motorcycle. So wait for it. So this is how it looks like after installing the mirrors. They are looking pretty well on this motorcycle, as you can see. The front view, as you can see, it's just going properly with the looks. And I just tried the Enfield mirrors, the ones I was telling before. They were just like approx double the size, like almost this size. So they were too big on this handle, not going with the the design of the motorcycle, because of the bigger size, and this looks way better. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. You will see the furthermore upgrades and kind of restoration videos of this motorcycle, because I need to change the front mudguard, and I need to paint the the engine portion. As you can see there, the paint has just came out from all over, and the chain cover, the chassis, the front mudguard, and as well as this fiber items I need to replace. I'm just thinking to change this with the facelifted version of the same FZ, which has this big the big side walls. So do let me know in the comments if they will be pretty well. This is what looks better on this motorcycle. So see you guys. Thank you for watching.